This is the first time that the entire Shanghai metro network has been suspended since it was built. Shanghai Metro started operating in 1993 on May the 28th, and Line 1 is Shanghai's oldest metro line, running from Xujiahui Station to Jinjiang Park Station at that time. Now, the Shanghai Metro system covers 508 stations, and the mileage of it amounted to more than 831 kilometers, and there are 20 lines in total. But not only are they operating as best as they could every day, once a passenger enters a station, he or she and the staffs also form a community in which everyone can get the help they need, even if it is a bit hard. Once I was on my way to school, a bit late to be honest, and I was rushing to the station, afraid I would miss the train at 7:18. When I arrived to the gate, I found out that I forgot my transportation card. I searched my bag for almost 2 minutes, and after I confirmed it was gone, I was utterly depressed. And I don't know what to do. And then I thought of asking the staff, but I was scared because I was a kid and they don't look really friendly. Surprisingly, they gave me 8 RMB for a round trip to my school and back home. From that point on, I knew that when I made a silly mistake on the metro, I could always ask the service center staff for a bit of assistance. The Shanghai Metro keeps the city operating normally. It takes tens of thousands every day to work in school. It shapes the way we transport. Happy birthday, Shanghai Metro, and thanks for changing our lives completely.